Pavement bricks are usually produced by mixing aggregate, sand, and cement with water. However, eco-construction materials can be used, such as using waste residues collected from water and wastewater treatment processes and coal-fired power plants. Alum sludge, sewage sludge, and sewage sludge ash with stable supply every day can successfully replace aggregate, sand, and cement as the sustainable resources in making eco-concrete paving blocks to fulfill relevant engineering and environmental standards. The advantages of the product are: first, 30% of raw materials can be replaced by the waste residues. Second, simple preconditioning process resulting in lower production cost of the products. Third, comparing with other recycling materials, for example, glass bottles, we have stable supply of raw materials with consistent quality and colors. The surface of the Eco Brick is comparatively smooth. The color is consistent too, and the edges are sharply molded. It passed the engineering performance tests. About environment impacts, tests results show that the eco-concrete blocks fulfill the environmental requirements compatibility in Hong Kong and US standards.